Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. I am Asif, mathematics teacher. So, students, I am present before you to understand the subtopics division of whole number by fractional number. So, in the previous video, we have already learned the division of fractional number by whole number. This was just vice versa, okay, but here we have to learn the just reciprocal of the previous, that division of a whole number by fractional number. That means we have to divide the whole numbers by fraction. So have a look, friends. We have taken an example and we are going to figure out with the help of examples. So here the first example. What does it mean? What is 2 divided by 1 by 2? It's very simple. Now write 2 as it is. Here 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 is as a divisor and this is a dividend. Now 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now this could be written as 2. If you change this division as multiplication, like 2 multiplied by, this is 2 multiplied by 2 by 1 means 2 multiply. If we change this operation division, okay, as multiplication, then we have to change this fraction. That means we have to write the reciprocal of this fractional number or this divisor. So this could be written as 2 multiplied by 2 by 1, just reverse, and then numerator multiply by numerator, 2 multiply by 2, and as 1 is hidden in your denominator, so 2 2 is 4. This is your final answer. So this could be written as in a statement form, like a whole number, because this is the whole number, okay, divided by fractional number. So this is the fractional number, okay, that means fraction. Now this could be written as the whole number. Here is the whole number multiplied by, here is the multiplied by the multiplicative inverse of the divisor or fractional number. That means write the whole number and multiply sign, then write the multiplicative inverse of this fraction and then calculate. This will give the final answer. I hope you will understand. Now students, we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 21, then you will be more. Now friends, see exercise 21. As you can see, as exercise 21, question number first says divide by a repeated subtraction, okay. Then next to find the value of this, okay. Now see the friends, question number 1, divide by repeated subtraction. So the one thing is important that we have to understand about this question. Now suppose if you want to multiply, if you want to divide any whole numbers by fractional, that means 3 divided by half 1 by 2 is nothing but it is the number of times, 1 by 2 can be subtracted. 1 by 2 can be subtracted successively from 3. That means 1 by 2 is subtracted successively from 3 and we get the final answer is here is 0. And count the steps. Here is the 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So the 6 is your answer. So have a look. We have to solve this question, divide by repeated subtraction. That means we have to subtract this fraction from 3 successively, okay. Now have a look. 3 minus half first times. So take the LCM of 1 and 2. Here is the 2 is the LCM. Then 2 divides by 1 divides 2, yes 2, and 2 multiply by 3, 2 3 is 6. Here is 6, here is the minus, and 2 divides to 1 multiply by 1, here is 1. 6 minus 1 divided by 2 and 6 minus 1 5 by 2. Here is the first. Now successively, then we have to subtract this resultant value, then we have to subtract this half from this resultant value. Here have a look, 5 by 2 minus half. Now take the LCM, where have a look. If the denominator LCM, write the single denominator and write the numerator as it is, 5 minus 1. So there is 4 by 2. So here the consequent is 2, means answer is 2. Now we will move till we get the 0, okay. Now we will move the same we have to repeat the same procedure as then 2 minus half. We have, because we have to divide successively 2 minus half, means 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Take the LCM of 1 and 2. Here the 2 LCM, 2 divided by 1, 2 is divided by 1, 2, and then 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4. Here is the minus, here is the minus. 2 divided by 2, 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 2. Okay, then we have to subtract half from this. 3 by 2 minus half. Once again, now here is the same denominator. Write the single denominator and write the numerator as it. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 will get cancelled. 2 1 j 2, 2 1 j 2, 1. Okay, here is the 1. Then once again, this half is subtracted from 1. Here half is subtracted. 1 minus half means 1 में से आधा जाएगा, half बचेगा. 1 minus. Take the LCM of 1 and 2. Either we can solve. Here is the 2 LCM. Now 2 multiplied by 1, 2 1 j 2, minus 2 divides by 2, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 2 minus 1 by 2. Here is the 2 minus 1, 1, and 2 means half. Then once again we have to subtract this half minus this half. Okay, here is the half, this, here is the half, here this. So half minus half, the same number in different signs, 0. Hence we can say that the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 step and 6. So answer is 6. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now friends, next question. Now friend, see question number 4 says find the quotient. Here the question number 4 says, have a look, find the quotient. There are 6 sub questions. We have taken question number F. Okay, here have a look. This question says find the quotient. Okay, find the quotient. F 99 divided by 2, 5 by 47. First of all write this. Now have a look, as it is 19, then divide sign. Now multiply, because this is the mixed fraction. Multiply these two numbers and add to 5. Here 47 multiplied by 2 becomes 94. Then we have to add this 94 to 5, becomes 99. Here is the 99 divided by 47. Now friends, this could be written as 99 as it is. Okay, here we will follow in solving the same method. Here the first method is change this operation and write the reciprocal of this number. Here the reciprocal of this number means this up and this down. Here is the 47 divided by 99. So have a look friend, this is the numerator. All these two numbers are numerator. Here is the denominator. So numerator and denominator will get cancelled if it is possible. So 99 1 ja 99 will get cancelled. 47 only answer. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question number 5 says write true or false. First of all, we have to solve left hand side is equal to right hand side. If it is okay, then this statement is true, otherwise false. Now see friends, question number 5c. Okay, write true or false. Write true or false. So friends, see 36 divided by 4 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 36 multiplied by 4 1 upon 2. Now first of all, here the left hand side. First of all solve the left hand side. First of all write the solve left hand side 36. Now as it is, because first we have to change this improper in this mixed fraction into improper. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 2. Here solved, here is the 36. Here change operation, we have to change also 2 by 9. Here 9 1 ja 9 or 9 4 ja 40, 36, and 4 2 ja 8 is answer. Left hand side is 8. Now right hand side, have a look, 1 upon 36 as it is. Okay friends, now multiply. Now change this mixed fraction into improper. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 2. Now this is numerator and this is denominator. Cancel 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. So here is the upper just 1 and denominator 4 2 ja 8. So here have a look, left hand side friend is not is equal to right hand side. So this statement is wrong, it means false. FALSE. I hope you will understand. Then your homework friends, your homework is question number 1 to 5. Okay, I hope you will understand. Exercise 21.